Okay, so today I'm going to show you around a little bit of Stern Grove. We didn't get a chance to see it last time because the camera cut out, but you can see it's very, very jungly, huh? I hope you guys can hear all the birds and everything. So actually, here's a question for you guys. What are these flowers? Maybe one of your parents knows. They look like lilies because those look like lily pads. So, I'm not sure, but they're all over the place. Just these green flowers everywhere. You can see everywhere you look. Jungle, 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 jungle. Okay, and there's logs we have to jump over. And some more logs. We're going to go back to a place and we'll do really quick. We'll probably just do some push-ups, some sit-ups, and some run in place. But the main reason was just, see this? We got to jump over this log and go down the trail. Just green everywhere, even way up there. And big hills to go down. And look up there. See how high that goes? Way up there, all the way down to here. Trying to show you. Oh, there you go. I don't know if you guys can see that. Look up there. I'm going to try to get a picture of them. I don't know if you can see him right there, but it's some different kind of bird. He's like, I don't know, he looks kind of like a hawk, maybe. So he's sitting up there. Or it might even be an owl. But it's not nighttime yet, so I'm not sure. But continuing on. Look at the trees all covered in ivy. See that? Isn't that something? Okay, I'm going to put you on pause for a second as we go ahead here. Okay, so here's another spot. If you follow it down a little bit. And look at this tree. I don't know if you can see, it's red. Looks kind of super tall. Like that tree's over 100 feet tall. And it's red. So I'm not sure what kind of tree that is. But if you look here, we have these little trails. Like these little bridges. And over here there's a pond. And then there's all these neat little trails going back in here. And if we followed around here, here's more of the pond. When it gets rainy, this here would be a pond going right underneath that bridge right there. So, I don't think we're going to work out today, but you can always go back to that one that says Special Tabata, the one at the lake. That's a really good one. That's a long one if you're feeling like you want a big workout. I'll show you one last tree. Maybe you guys can tell me what this one is too. So this is a little tree. He's not 100 feet tall. But its leaves look like this. So, what do you guys think that would be? All right. So, some of you asked to see the trail that I wanted to show you last time, but my camera messed up, or I messed up. So I couldn't show it to you, but I wanted to show it to you this time. So, this video will be, this one you're seeing today, which will be Thursday. And we'll have a new PE adventure on Tuesday. All right, I'll see you guys.